Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain you what is AppBar and what are the properties in AppBar. AppBars are used in scaffold AppBar property, which places the AppBar as a fixed height widget at the top of the screen. So if I use widget AppBar, inside this parenthesis, if you hit on control space, it will suggest some properties which can use inside AppBar widget. For now, I am going to explain you some of these properties. If you scroll down, these all are the properties which can use inside AppBar widget. Let me explain you what is title property for AppBar widget. This property will display you title name at the top of the screen inside AppBar. So here it is going to display Hello App. If you want this title at the center, we can use another property called center title. Make it true. So let me run it and show you. Wait for a second. So you can see now the title is displaying at the center of the AppBar. So we can add any number of icons after this title. We have to use a property called actions. If you want before the title, you have to use a property called leading. So for now I am going to use a property called actions, and icons will display after this title. Actions, and we can add any number of icons after the title. Inside this icon button, icons dot search. So it is going to show you a search icon after the title inside AppBar. Let me show you. So please wait for a second. So here if you notice, it is displaying a search icon, but its color is black. It is not visible property. Let me change its color. So comma colors is a property, and colors dot white. Now run this. So you can see it is changed to white color. You can add a menu before the title. So that you have to use a property called leading. and I'm going to add another icon after the title. I'm just adding notifications icon, so it will display an icon with a bell symbol. So this is the icon, and you can change the background color of the app bar. I'm just making it red. So the color is changed to red color with some icons and title. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like.